Hello everyone, hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video I'm going to be cooking Ofe Añara, so come with me. Let me show you how I cook Ofe Añara. Ofe Añara is a soup made with garden egg leaf. So I'm just coming back from the market where I bought some Anara leaf and the ingredients to make with it. So let's dive into the video or into my kitchen. So here is my garden egg leaf. This one is like this because it has been harvested several times. It's not the first leaf it produces, and this is not the same garden egg that produces the big garden egg seed that we eat. This one has tiny seeds, smaller seeds, and is more bitter than the other type of garden egg. We use the leaf in making soup, though some people also eat the leaf of the other one. To cook Anara soup, we also make the base of the soup just like any other Nigerian soups like Ofe Oha or Ofe Okazi or Ofe Ziza. So let's prepare our meat and other ingredients. We'll come back to the Anara or garden egg leaf. Into my clean pot, I'll add in my washed cow meat. I'll add some chopped onions, dry pepper, salt, seasoning cube, and then add some water. Stir it, cover, and allow to start cooking while I prepare the stockfish. Fish head for this. You can also use any part you like. We call this isho boroko or isho nyoso. I also like to use hot water to wash it in case it has any unwanted crawling things. After washing and cleaning the stockfish, I'll add it to the meat which is already cooking. Add it a little more water so that it can cook. And some red and yellow peppers. Now that the meat and stockfish is about 90% cooked, it is time to add in other ingredients. I'll start with the pounded crayfish and pepper. Which I already washed and kept in my freezer. This is optional. Like I said, you just use any protein of your choice. And to thicken the soup, I'll be using achi. So I'm adding here about 3 tablespoons of ground achi. I'll then cover and allow to cook. Don't stir it. Now if you stir it, the achi is going to get lumps. So to avoid lumps, don't stir it. While the soup is cooking, I'll now pick, wash and cut the Anara, the Akwukwo Ofe, garden egg leaf, vegetable. Anyone just going to be seeing it this way, just the way we do oha. That's the way I'm going to be cutting it. And tasting very delicious already. So I'll go ahead now, add the clean dry fish, more crayfish to it, stir it. After stirring, it looks too thick, so I'll just add little water to it to loosen the thickness. I'll stir again, cover and allow to cook for about 2 minutes, and then we add our angara, our vegetable. Vegetable, I'll put off the gas and then stir gently. This one you don't stir it much so that it won't get bitter. According to my mom, if you stir it too much, it make the soup to be bitter. Yeah, I think that is true. So I just stir gently and our soup is ready. Anara soup is ready. Look at how delicious and mouth-watering the soup looks. The soup tastes as it looks. So yummy, so delicious. All that is left now is to serve and enjoy it with any fufu of your choice. You can enjoy this with your eba, your semo, your wheat fufu, your oat fufu, your cassava fufu. I love it with cassava fufu. So I'm going to be enjoying this with my apple. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye-bye.